Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Astro Tyagi. In this video we will see the fluctuations in prices of gold and silver in COMEX MCX during the period of 20th to 24th of July 2020. In my previous video, which dealt with the fluctuations in prices of gold and silver in COMEX MCX for the period 13th to 17th July 2020 turned out to be quite fairly accurate. So now let us see how gold and silver are going to behave in the week commencing on 20th of July and ending on 24th of July 2020. My calculations are based only on astrology, so I advise you to take the advice of your financial advisor and technical analyst before investing any amount of money into gold and silver. My video is only for educational purpose and should not be treated as an investment guide. I will first show the fluctuations in the prices of gold and then I will move to the prices of silver. Let us first see how will gold behave on each day of the week, and then I will show the graph of complete week, which will give you a relative idea of how would gold behave throughout the week, and then I will do the same with silver. So friends, let's move to the curve of 20th July 2020 and let us see how will gold behave on this day. Here is the curve of 20th of July on your screen. The time that you can see on the horizontal axis is my local Indian time, Indian Standard Time to say. You have to convert it into your time zone with the help of Google. When the market opens on Monday at around 9 am in this horizontal axis, then you can see that the prices of gold will initially fall and then will see a short rise and then they will fall again till the night, and at the night there will be there can be a sudden fluctuation in prices. The prices will rise and then they will fall before the market is closed. Speaking of the units on vertical axis, they are not the prices of gold, but they are my reference units. You can see that at 9 am, around 9 am, gold opens at about 60 units and closes at 52 units approximately. So you can say that the prices of gold can remain constant by the end of the day, or they can slightly reduce. Now on the next day, that is 21st of July, the gold should open at this reference unit 52, and then let us see how gold will behave. Let us move to the graph of 21st of July. On your screen you can see the graph of 21st of July. Here you can see that there can be a small fall in the prices of gold once the market opens, and then gold can see a steady rise through a considerable part of the day, and then towards the end it can slightly fall, then increase and then fall. But overall one can easily conclude that gold will end up at a price lower than its opening price on 21st of July. In the starting of the curve on 21st of July, you can see a very sharp rise and then small fall in the prices of gold. You can see here, let me show, it rises and then it falls. So when gold opens at about 52 units and ends at 54 units, then we can conclude that more or less the closing price of gold will remain almost same as the opening price. Now let us see how will gold behave on 22nd of July. Let us move to the curve of 22nd July. Here you can see the curve of 22nd July on your screen. Gold opens at 54 units on this day, and till the midday in India, that is you can see till at about 12 noon, gold sees a steady fall and then it rises for some time and then again falls and then again sees a rise before seeing a fall till the end of the day. But to be honest, since the difference of units is not much during this day, you can see that gold mostly fluctuates between 48 and 38 units only. The prices of gold will remain range bound on this day. There will be definitely rise and fall, but prices not see a wide fluctuation on this day. They should not see a wide fluctuation. Now let us move to the graph of 23rd of July and see how will gold behave on this day. On your screen you can see the graph of 23rd of July. Let us study how will it behave. A simple perusal of this graph will show that the prices of gold will rise on this day. They open somewhere near 47 units and go up to 142 units in this curve. So gold will see a decent rise on this day, that is on 23rd of July 2020. There can be a small fall after 10 p.m. Indian time, that is 2200 hours Indian time, but that fall should not be much. But yes, the prices of gold should rise on this day. Now let us see how will gold behave on the last day of the week, that is 24th of July. Let us first move to the graph of 24th of July to see how it behaves. On your screen you can see the graph of 24th of July for the prices of gold, fluctuations in the prices of gold. You can see that gold opens between 129 and 140 units and then it sees a rise above 140 units in this curve and then a steady fall, and then gold closes at around 96 units. Before closing it sees a small rise also, so you can see that eventually the prices of gold will be lower than the opening value. Now let us see the curve of whole week, how will gold behave in this week, so you can adjudge how the prices of gold will actually rise or fall in this week and on which day it will be beneficial to buy and sell the gold. On the next screen I will show you the curve for the whole week. Here on this screen you can see the curve for the whole week 20th to 24th of July 2020. So in this graph you can easily conclude that the prices of gold will see a constant but small fall for the first 3 days, 20th, 21st and 22nd of July 2020. And then on 23rd of July there will be a big leap in the prices of gold. So according to this graph, 23rd should be the ideal price to sell of gold. And then you can see on 24th for some time the prices will remain even higher before falling off. But overall you can see that the prices of gold on the closing of 24th of July should be higher than what the prices of gold will be on the opening of 20th of July 2020. You can also see the curve going to 25th and 26th, but in reality the market would remain closed, but the planetary motion does not cease to exist on weekend, so this curve has been sketched for those 2 days as well. You can safely ignore it. Now dear listeners, let us move to the prices of silver. Let us first see the day-wise price starting from 20th of July. Let us move to silver. On your screen you can now see the price of silver on 20th of July. You can see that when market opens at around 9 AM Indian time there will be small fall and then the prices of silver will pick up and then they can fall again, and eventually silver will close at more or less the opening price. This is the same behavior as gold on 20th of July if you remember. Now let us move to 21st of July to see how will silver will behave on this day. On your screen you can see the curve of silver for 21st of July 2020. Let us understand how will silver behave on this day. Silver opens at above 51 units and this graph will easily tell you that the prices of silver will fall on this day and silver will close at some value below or just above 26 as you can see in the curve. So it will not be an exaggeration to conclude that the prices of silver will fall on 21st of July 2020. How will silver behave on the next day? To see this, see the next screen of 22nd July on your screen now. On 22nd of July you can see that the prices of silver will start rising and then they can remain range bound for a considerable period of time, and then the prices of silver can again rise and then eventually fall, but silver will end up at a higher value than the value it actually had during the time of its opening on 22nd of July. Let us move to 23rd of July 2020 to see how will silver behave on that day. Oh my god, just like gold, silver will rise on 23rd of July. It starts from 47 units and it goes to 172 units, you can see. So on 23rd of July there should be significant rise in the price of silver, and if you remember, gold also rises on this day. Now let us see the prices of final day for the week. On 24th of July you can see that silver opens at 165 units, and after that there is continuous fall in its prices and it ends up closing at 121 units, and towards the end there can be slight rise in its price, but that can be ignored since the market would be closed for 2 days after that. Now just like gold, let us see the graph of whole week for silver and we will see where the prices of silver will go. Let us move to the graph of whole week on the next screen. Here you can see the price of silver, and easily you can conclude that on 23rd of July there will be considerable rise in the prices of silver. This graph will tell you that there won't be a much difference in silver prices on the opening of 20th July and closing of 22nd July. However, there will be a significant rise on 23rd, and for some period of 24th of July prices will remain high before falling off and market getting closed. If you are looking for an opportunity to buy, you can see that during the closing of 21st of July and opening of 22nd of July, the graph touches its least value, and here should be the lowest prices of silver in whole week. So friends, this was the analysis of fluctuations in prices of gold and silver for 20th to 24th of July 2020 in COMEX MCX. So dear friends, I hope you liked my video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Astro Tyagi. Also click on the bell icon so you get notifications of my video as soon as I upload them. It would be very good if you share my channel with your family and friends, and if you have any suggestions to give, you can write down in comments or email me at astrotyagi@gmail.com. Thank you for all the love and appreciation you all have been showing to me. I will see you in the next video, which will deal with the prices of gold and silver from 27th to 31st of July 2020. Take care, stay safe.